In today's exercise, I'm going to show you how to do a dumbbell anterior shoulder raise seated or a front shoulder raise seated. Now, the first thing you need is a pair of dumbbells and then also a seat. Now, when doing this exercise activates the front part of our delts, okay? Now, when doing this exercise, how I usually do it is this. I sit all the way back, I put my feet onto the pegs, or place them on the ground. Either or is totally up to you. But when bringing both arms up, right, or bringing that raise up, you want to have a slight bend in the elbows, okay? This is going to give you more control. You want to have the shoulders rolled back, tummy sucked in, core nice and tight, and then come all the way up, just like that, with a slight bend in the elbows. Don't have your elbows locked out and try and doing the exercise, because you're not going to have that much control, and it's going to make the exercise a lot harder. So have more control, have a slight bend in those elbows, okay? Now, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and demonstrate how to do the workout in real time. So I'm going to go ahead, pick up these dumbbells, place my feet onto the pegs, roll the shoulders back, suck in the tummy, all right? And like I said, slight bend in the elbows. I'm going to go ahead, rotate my wrists into a pronated position, all right? And then I'm going to lift up. Nice and controlled. And as you can see, I'm bringing the dumbbells to the midline of my body because this is going to activate more of the delts, the anterior delts, or the front shoulders. This is how you do a dumbbell anterior shoulder raise, seated.